How to change Siri's name on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change Siri's name on your iPhone. So let's get started. The first thing you will need to keep in mind is that you will need to have an iOS 18 or a version above that. If you do have that, head over to your settings, and after you're on your settings, you can scroll down till you find the option called accessibility. After you find it, simply navigate to it. After you're on accessibility page, you can scroll down and you should find different options here such as voice control and so much more. You will need to head over to the speech section, and under there you will find vocal shortcuts. Head over to vocal shortcuts, and after you're there you will see actions. Now, to change your vocal shortcuts, what I mean by that is if you want to change your Siri's name, what you'll need to do is tap on add action. After you tap on add action, you will need to set up a vocal shortcut. So tap on continue, scroll down till you find Siri, tap on Siri, and now you will need to add a speakable phrase. Now it can be anything such as a new name for Siri. So I'll just name it John. After you do that, simply tap on go. Now you will need to say it 3 times. John, 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 John. Now after you've said it 3 times, you can tap on continue. And now whenever you say John, your Siri will activate. And it's that simple guys, and that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.